Do you have any experience?
Yes. I did a Hollywood film.
Hollywood film?
Yes.
Which film?
You know Titanic?
Titanic మీరు అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ గా చేశారా?
Shut up. Not shut up. Like shut up. It's a Hollywood thing. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Anyway, Titanic's executive producer's first cousin's neighbor is the first cousin of my first cousin, who's the first cousin of his first cousin. So a friend of mine's friend's friend, yeah, he did an English film there. So my first cousin's friend put me on it.
మీకు చాలా మంది కజిన్స్ ఉన్నారండి.
Shut up. I have only one cousin, but he has many cousins. Yes.